If you're looking for some new inspiration to freshen up your summer dishes, then look no further. Lifestyle expert Jennifer Bonner is joining us today with a few tips to keep your summer meals easy, enjoyable, and healthy. Hi, Jennifer.
Hi, Cindy. That's right. I have some delicious ideas to help shake things up in the kitchen this summer. First, lighten up your usual dishes. Even if you don't mind cooking in the summer, you don't want to feel weighed down by something heavy. There's a bounty of seasonal produce available, so get out there and explore some new veggies. Skip those starches in your usual dishes and try swapping them with some riced cauliflower or zucchini noodles. Your dishes will be oh so fresh and healthy.
Well, that all sounds like a delicious way to eat light.
If you haven't tried doing that yet, I highly recommend it. And speaking of fresh and healthy, be sure to incorporate plenty of fruits into your recipes this summer too. My favorite right now is Ruby Frost apples. They are the perfect balance of sweet and tart with a hearty crunch and ideal crisp texture. This unique twist on the classic Northeast flavor profile makes Ruby Frost the apple you will want to reach for every day. Plus, this apple's healthy attributes benefit the whole family. They're bursting with vitamin C and contain no fat, sodium, or cholesterol. They're an excellent source of fiber and full of natural energizing sugars. Ruby Frosts reach their peak flavor in the winter months, making them an excellent choice for warm seasonal dishes, and an ideal baking apple thanks to their plump, luscious size. Because of all that vitamin C, they're slow to brown, so they're a beautiful addition to salads, which of course are a summertime staple.
So tell us more about that beautiful salad you have there.
The beet and kale salad with Ruby Frost sliced apples and a creamy, tangy dressing is packed with flavor and so easy to make. I added some shaved Parmesan cheese to this one, but you could also try some fresh shaved manchego or even a dollop of goat cheese. To find the full recipe and more ways to enjoy these gems, head to rubyfrostapples.com. This salad would be amazing as a side dish, or you could add some protein to your dish with grilled chicken, which leads me to my last tip. Fire up that grill. Summer is the perfect time to get outside and grill your favorite proteins, veggies, pizzas, and more. And if you're craving a sweet dessert, try throwing some sliced Ruby Frosts on the grill. Add a little cinnamon and drizzle with honey.
That sounds amazing. Thanks so much for sharing with us today, Jennifer.
You're welcome. I will see you next time.
Daytime, we'll be right back.